Hello, good morning. I'm back with another market report on what happened yesterday and what can we expect today. So, कल कैसा था? Yesterday was actually a decent day. I would not say it was very rough day for Nifty expiry. A lot of traders actually found out that yesterday's expiry was pretty decent, and I think a lot of people did eventually end up making a lot of money. For me, the expiry was not so great. I ended up with minus 0.6%. But I wrote also yesterday on Twitter that I ended the week at plus 4%. So, what happened yesterday? Kal kya hua tha? Nifty opened all right, but then it immediately after opening took the call side stop loss because there was a sharp up move. And that was not a real move for Nifty. The real actually move came on the downside. So the sharp up move took the call side stop loss, and then the down move took the put side stop loss. So both sides stop loss was hit because I am a fixed stop loss system trader. So I do not do too many adjustments. I used to earlier, but I don't do that anymore because I've seen there's no point doing too many adjustments. So what basically happened was that Nifty took both sides stop losses, and then it was drifting slowly downwards, but it was not a very sudden sharp movement. So that is where a lot of people actually made their money in terms of the theta decay. But theta itself yesterday was very less. The market opened only at 85 points, which is very less. Now what is it looking like for this particular week? And sorry, one more thing I forgot to tell is that yesterday I had in the pre-market report already warned that the PCR is at 0.6. Now, then the PCR is so low, then there is a small tendency for the market to actually drift down. So that has been my observation. It might not happen immediately. Ekdam se nahi hoga at market open, which we saw yesterday, where the market actually went up. But then eventually it will come down to take care of the positions of the people who have made that kind of open interest. Now, how do things look like today? Things are looking absolutely fine in terms of the straddle premium. It's at about 350 right now. The OI is still less at 13 crores. So it is at 0.77 for the next week. So it's very early to say anything about it because the OI tends to build over the entire week. In terms of the other market cues, what is it looking like for today? So US markets were down yesterday, and the US futures are indicating a flat opening. Gift Nifty is down surprisingly by 90 odd points. One major thing that happened yesterday was that the FIIs have again started to sell. So FIIs sold about 3,000 odd crores yesterday, and this is on back of about 1900 crores that they sold the day before. So now they are only 10,000 crores up in cash for this particular month. So yesterday was not a very good sign of FIIs starting to sell again, and we have seen what happens when FIIs actually sell in big quantity. We saw that in October and November. So let's see whether this was a couple of days trend or this is something that is going to continue. Asia is mixed right now. Nikkei is down by minus 1.2%. Gold is again rallying. So gold is now again at $2,700, and in INR also it is close inching towards the all-time high. So there is no let up in gold, and I have been constantly saying that gold should be a part of your portfolio because it provides a hedge against equities. जब equities नीचे जाती हैं तो gold is usually up and vice versa. Bitcoin is at 100,000, so there is no let up over there as well. Oil is at 74. So oil is something that can be worrisome if it crosses 90 for us as an economy. Inflation data came out yesterday, which was about 5.4%, which is slightly lesser than the inflation data for the month before. So that is okay. IIP number came at 3.5, which is slightly less in my opinion. So there is a clamor for a rate cut to happen on the RBI. So let's see when that rate cut happens. As of now, there are no indication of the rate cut happening. Usually rate cuts are associated with the stock market rally if the underlying economy is strong. So whenever that comes, we will have to see. US might actually cut rates in spite of the inflation fears there. So that is going to be interesting. So all in all, an interesting day lined up ahead. No very major cues right now. And today Sensex expiry, so let's see how that one goes, though the volumes in Sensex are much lesser than Nifty. But here's wishing all the traders a very happy expiry, and I will see you soon. Thank you.